So let's come back up to mid-length. Grab your tab, pull it up. There we go. So let's face your back to the anchor. Now give me 1 foot out. Now lower your right arm and look to the right, lean right. Come back up, lower your left arm. And up, lower the right. And up, lower the left. Let's just do 1 more to each side. And stand right back up into a feet are together. Now bring your arms right in front of you. Walk out a little bit, open and close. Try to bring your arms by your hip and right straight above your eye line. Let's just do 2 more. Last one, and done.